Hi, this is Angela Gower-Johnson. Today's video is about troubleshooting with the keto diet. So there are a few things that you might find with researching the keto diet that you'd need to troubleshoot. The first one that you would encounter would be the keto flu. So the keto flu can be a couple of things. It can be your body processing the addiction to sugar and carbs that you're no longer giving it, or it can be the sheer amount of water loss from doing the keto diet. So when you eliminate the big carbohydrates from your diet, you're eliminating a source of water retention. So if you break down the word carbohydrate, it actually has the word hydrate in it. And it's there for a reason. It's there because carbohydrates help hydrate your body. It produces glycogen, which is then stored in the muscles and then broken down for energy. So when you are not having those carbs, your body is releasing and eliminating that water in a big way, and it's flushing out. So you need to replace that water. So the keto flu, that is going to be supported by drinking water. There is a keto lemonade that you will hear about, and that keto lemonade is water, a pinch of salt, and fresh squeezed lemon. So it's just a way to start rehydrating your body. Another thing is to look at natural electrolytes. So a really great other form of electrolytes is coconut water. So you want to try and get it as natural and fresh as possible. I like to get fresh young coconuts once or twice a week, and I'll just drink the water, eat the jelly, and it's great. Failing that, we can get cartons of coconut water, but just check the label for the sugar content. So the next thing that you might find with the keto diet is bad breath. You can research dragon breath. That's associated with the keto diet, and people that have dragon breath will also have really stinky pee. And this is because the whole process of ketosis is acidic. The ketones are acidic, and your kidneys are flushing it out of your system. And it just gives you like a weird, bad, acidy breath. The way to eliminate that or to prevent that is to drink the optimum amount of water for you. So if you're drinking enough water, you're flushing the toxins out, you're helping your kidneys. You are also at the same time putting less stress on your kidneys, which the keto diet is known to do. And that's because people are not drinking enough fluids. You have to really up the amount of fluids, and remember that part of that is because the carbohydrates were a way of retaining water in your body. So you're needing to keep the fluids going and be sipping water throughout the day, and knowing how much water your body needs and having a target and following that. So the water intake is my biggest struggle and failing with the keto diet. Another thing to encourage you with more water intake is the more water you are taking in, the more you're allowing your body to break down that fat, because it needs the water to break down the fat. It can also eliminate cravings and suppress appetite. And this is because thirst is your weakest sense. Your body has a really bad sense of thirst. So you'll feel hungry before you feel thirsty, even though your body is actually thirsty and not hungry. So just remember that. And there is a way to overdrink water. But if you're sticking to 2 to 3 liters of water a day, you're going to be fine. And that's really what your aim is going to be around that. So I did the calculation for my body weight, and the level of exercise that I do, then I really need to be at around 2.3 liters of water a day. And I'm usually just under that instead of right on target. But luckily, I drink enough to not have keto breath or stinky pee. So, yay me! All right, so that's my video on troubleshooting the keto diet. Those are the main concerns that I had in the beginning. If you have any other concerns, if you could let me know, and I will do my best to support you because I am here for you. So I'll put that link in the messages for how to calculate the amount of water that you need, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.